Good morning from Teledare Permaculture Farm. It's kind of cool for an August morning, kind of freaky. Um, but anyway, thought I'd give a little update before the day gets going. Um, so behind me is some of our finished, rearranged beds. We have basically 1/4 acre blocks that we have put 10 3-foot wide beds in, put weed barrier plastic on top of it. These lanes are roughly 6 feet-ish wide, so natural pathways on steroids. I'm gonna have to mow those this week. But the thing that I had really wanted to show everybody this morning was this, our little squash coming up. These are yellow squash. We had originally transplanted a bunch of these plants, and the next day the heat just fried them. So we're like, well, direct sow it is, straight into the same holes. And so far, these are coming up pretty good. Even after we had a freak round of rain a couple of days ago where we got 2 inches of rain. I kid you not, it was 2 inches. We showed on our little weather station that we have in our pasture, 2 inches of rain come in, just completely out of the blue. I mean, it was a downpour. And it was a real good test for how well these held up, because this is basically just me out here putting a shovel full of dirt all the way down the length of these beds to hold down the plastic. Held up real good, didn't wash hardly at all. I've got a couple of spots that I might need to come back and put some more dirt on. When you don't have the equipment, you have to do everything by hand, but that's neither here nor there. So like here, this one hasn't come up yet. It's still thinking about it. So yeah, I was kind of worried that they were going to have a problem coming up through these holes, and so far no problem at all. We're just waiting on everybody to catch up. So that's the morning update from here at the farm. If you have any questions, comments, be sure to like and subscribe the channel, so that you can keep up with us and all the craziness that we're doing. I've got a block to finish today that's going to be done just like this, but this will be where our tomatoes go. I have so many tomatoes to transplant. And then over here where it's still kind of grassy, I've got 2 more blocks to mow and put plastic on, and that's going to be for the fall, some of the fall stuff later this year. We'll have okra going in back over here. And then the rest of these beds right behind me are going to be more squash, zucchini, things like that. So like I said, be sure to like and subscribe and follow us so that you'll be able to keep up with what we're doing, and that you will be one of the first ones to know when things are ready to be picked. So see you in the next video.